Do you guys ever wonder why these hardtops get so much wind noise and creaking noises? These seals are, it's a cheap D seal that you can pretty much get at industrial hardware. And so that, and then the padding underneath isn't touching the window seal that Honda has on the outside. So it ends up creaking. The hardtop, the composite hardtop creaks on the rubber seal. This rubber grommet on the outside, or rubber trim is what Honda calls it, that touches the composite hardtop, and that's what causes all the wind noise, or I'm sorry, the creaking noise. So here's another hardtop right here. See, the same cheapy D seal is what they call it, because it's shaped like a D. And then they use like this really thin rubber right here, and it's not touching or padding in between here. So we came up with a solution for this. Actually, Honda has a solution for it. What makes the Honda one so much better, and that's why you don't get any creaking noise, is one, the wind noise. You have this nice rubber window seal, extremely expensive though, from Honda. It costs about, I think, about 300 bucks each just for one of these, and you need a left and a right. Then you have this rear seal. See how the shape of it, the way it's set up, it touches everything it needs to touch in between the hardtop and the car, predominantly that outer rubber trim on the car. And that's what keeps the hardtops from creaking. Now this from Honda is about a $600 or $700 rubber seal. It's pretty expensive, along with these guys. So what we have as a solution, we found a manufacturer that recreated this entire seal to be exactly the same as the Honda one, and the same as the rear to be the same as the Honda one. One, Honda's going to discontinue these one of these days, and we're going to need replacements. So we were able to procure a replacement for us, for all our S2000 customers, and basically for $450, this seal kit, a left and a right and a rear, is sold together as a combo kit to get rid of all your creaking noises on your hardtop.